Friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So before giving update, let me give a short updates that the person who have applied for the Deutsche Bank hiring, now they are getting the assessment mail. So best of luck to the candidates who have exam, and that is the reason, friends, in every video I am saying keep applying for drive. Okay, so now this is the hiring which I have already given you updates. Deutsche Bank, now they are getting the update. Okay, so moving to some important news, that is from the Hexaware. They are hiring for the role of Zen AI developer associate, and this is the job description. So they are looking for fresh graduates or professional with up to 1 year of experience who have knowledge or strong foundational knowledge in Python, NLP, and Gen AI. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. Basic understanding of machine learning concept, including supervised and unsupervised learning, is required, and knowledge of NLP is required. So if you are interested, you can apply for this role, Gen AI developer associate. Moving to next, that is Monotype. They are hiring for the role of software engineer trainee, and this is also a full-time role. So in date or last date to apply is July 30. So if you want, you can apply, and this will be your roles and responsibility, like working in small scrum team, writing automation test, and other things are there. So requirement is you should be having good knowledge of C and algorithm is must, and the knowledge of the Python and coding related tool like Cursor or ChatGPT Cloud is a plus point. So if you want, you can apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the Manmed Dynamics. They are hiring for the role of backend developer intern. So you just need to provide your portfolio, resume link, and upload the document, and directly we have to apply for this role. Remember, this demand a strong backend profile, so you should have done means good project in your resume. Okay, that will give an edge to other candidates. Moving to next, that is from the techtroop.tech. They are hiring for the batch of 2023, 2024, 2025 pass out BTech CS IT AIML. So you should have strong knowledge of Java full stack or Python full stack and good communication or problem solving skill. So if you are interested, you can apply or share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next, that is from the Trigonal software. They are hiring for the role of software development intern. And friends, keep applying for other off-campus drive. I know for 2026 pass out limited hirings is going on, but still I suggest apply. Recently I've given you update about the SCL take also. So if you want to apply, then you can apply for this role, and lots of small hiring is going on. So keep applying. You don't know from where you will get the reward. Okay, so keep applying. So this is the role software development, and this will be roles and responsibility, HTML, CSS, and basic knowledge of JavaScript and other things are required. So you can directly apply with the apply link in the description. Moving to next, that is from the Cohere. They are hiring for the role of machine learning engineer intern, and you know, friend, this is the demand in current days. So keep working on this particular tech stack, and this will have a strong future. So you will getting full-time employee at Cohere, enjoy the perks and benefits. So if you want, you can apply for this role. Moving to next, that is from the Gammastack. They are hiring for the role of software engineer trainee, and freshers eligible for this 2025 to 2026 pass out. Strong programming fundamentals, OOPS and DSA knowledge, and the knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Java, Python, Node.js, and other APIs required. So if you are interested, you just need to fill the form. So these are the selection process: application screening, L1 technical round, L2 technical round, then HR discussion will be there. So if you want, you can apply for this role. Moving to last important opportunity, they are looking the candidates from DTUs, ITs, and ITs, IT and SIT, Jadapur IT and RV College. And these, if you are the student from these colleges and immediate joiner for 2024, 2025 pass out, then you can at least your resume to this mail ID. This is a good update for the BTech graduates. होप इन्होंने कोई भी क्वेरी है फील फ्री टू आंसर कमेंटर. आई फील वेरी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब अपडेट्स में. थैंक यू.